Okay, it's time to take the bread out of the oven. It's been in the oven for me today about 27 minutes, and I think it's ready. So let's take a look and see. Look at that color, nice and golden, and it got even bigger. This is beautiful. I can totally imagine having this toast in the morning, sandwiches. Very excited. Probably need to keep those on. So normally I would say you should leave it to cool for at least a half an hour before you slice it and let it kind of rest. But I know you want to see how beautiful this is. So let's break that rule. Who can resist? And cut a couple of slices now. Now since I'm not letting it rest, it's going to be a little bit different texture than what you'll get. Ooh, do you hear that crunch? And you can see the steam coming out. Yeah, this is a nice bowl. See, it's a little bit squishy downy. That's because I didn't let it rest enough. So that piece got a little bit pushed down. But let's take a look at the inside. Do you see all the little bubbly textures in there? That means that you got a really nice loaf. Just spread on a little bit of butter. Oh yeah, don't you want to eat that? And there you have done it. You made fresh sourdough bread. Enjoy.